In this video, you'll learn how to recall an email in Zoho Mail. This process can be useful if you accidentally sent a message that you wish to retract. Following the steps outlined will help you navigate through the Zoho Mail interface effectively. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Zoho Mail website. Once you are on the home page, locate the option to sign in. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection to avoid any delays during the process. After signing in, you will be directed to your inbox. Look for the option labeled New Mail and click on it to compose a new email. This will open a new email composition window where you can enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you have the correct address to avoid sending the email to the wrong person. Next, click on the To field within the new email window. This will allow you to type in the email address of the recipient. Enter the address carefully, and once done, click on it to select it. This action ensures that the recipient's email is properly registered before you continue. After selecting the recipient, proceed to fill in the subject and body of your email as needed. Once you're satisfied with the content, look for a button labeled Insert within the composition window. Clicking this option will finalize your email setup. When you are ready to send the email, locate the Send button and click on it. You may see a confirmation message asking if you want to send the email anyway. Click on Send Anyway to proceed with sending your email. Once the email has been sent, navigate to the Mail Sent section. You can find this option in the left sidebar of your inbox. Click on Sent to view all emails that you have dispatched recently. In the Sent folder, locate the email you wish to recall. Click on the check icon next to the email to select it. This selection is necessary before you can initiate the recall process. After selecting the email, look for the option labeled Recall this email. Clicking on this option will prompt Zoho Mail to attempt to retract the sent message. If you see a notification indicating that you need to upgrade your account to recall emails, you will need to follow the instructions provided to complete this upgrade. Now, you have successfully navigated through the steps to recall an email in Zoho Mail. Be mindful of the limitations regarding email recall, as it may not always be successful depending on various factors like the recipient's email settings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.